out of curiosity, Dave, what makes that date important, right? When do we need to have this system up and running? Oh, by May the 15th. Perfect, I'll write that down. We'll get you a contract. We'll have, what makes that May 15th? What makes that date important? We've got a board meeting June 1st, and if we don't get this fixed, there's going to be hell to pay. When you say hell to pay, Dave, just out of curiosity, what's going on? Walk me through the situation. Yeah, I mean, we had considerable layoffs last year. One of the things that's on our CEO's radar and has very, very high visibility is that we figure out how to get XYZ done with ABC, and I have to have that accomplished before that board meeting June 1st, right? You're never going to get to that level of granular detail if you don't ask them what makes that date important. If you guys in your job have dates, okay, hopefully you're not dating people in your job. I mean dates, numbers, right? Dates. What date do they need to sign, close on the house? What date do they need to move into the house? What date do they need to have the software up and running? Stop ever asking people what date unless you're going to follow it up with what makes that date important, because that's where all the real information is, okay? Even if they go, I don't know, I just pulled it out of thin air. Well, now you know you have a prospect that wasn't as hot as they were before, okay? So what makes that date important? If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you can look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're going to catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're going to see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.